Is that how you lot touch people's hair in your little city? That was off. I totally forgot about. Now you've made me angry again. It's okay for you to compliment someone's hair, but going as far as torching it, what the hell? So apparently I was in this little city in England, close to Cambridge. I'm not gonna call the name, right? Because it's not important right now. And then there was this old granny. What? Don't laugh. So I was kind of rushing. What is the way? So I was kind of rushing for, you know, so I could like get my thingy sorted out. So right now, I was kind of rushing. I didn't do my makeup right now, so I wanted to do a video vlog, but I need to comb my hair for. I wanted to do like a video of come with me video to just a random outlet. So I guess mine more. I like to use this camera indoors, but so I honestly wanted to.
I wanna take a picture, so this will last longer for me. Take my secrets, all them the precious money. I never want to hear you quiet, so I write songs for you. And I believe, yes I believe, I'm falling for you like a deep in the knees. That's when I see you, I feel to steal the keys to your heart again. Yeah, yes I believe, I'm falling for you like a deep in the knees. That's when I see you, I feel to steal the keys to your heart again. My baby bad, my baby good, my baby all the things I need. My baby wants up beside you, my baby wants up beside you. My baby bad, my baby good, my baby all the things I need. My baby wants up beside you, wants up beside you. So it's your fault. I wanna take the picture, so this will last longer for me. Take my secrets, all the precious money. I never want to hear you quiet, so I write songs for you. So they come left and right, but I don't care. They are fraud, they leave you, but I die there.
You okay? You going?
Hello, welcome. Thank you. Can I ask a question? Is there space upstairs?
So upstairs is closed, unfortunately.
Alright, no worries.
So the
Menu.
it's inside all of you, like.
Can't imagine. Okay. Without my thingy. Without my
Look at the menu, it's here. 1966.
So we came here specifically for the 1966 menu at the Ivy Park, and on their website it clearly says 4:45. I'm not the one who's bugging, I can't lie. So he actually says, let me see. So it clearly says, let me see. Yeah, from 11:30 to 4:45, and on their menu it says 4:30. It says 4:30, right? Well, before you come up somewhere, you look up the menu, and then whatever it gives to you, that's what you're taking. I can't lie, I'm not about to spend nothing. I was here for like exactly 1 year ago for my birthday, yeah? And the view is really quite nice. Upstairs is like really great. I'm not quite sure if I need to show you that. But we asked upstairs. We didn't do no booking because I mean we didn't book, right? So this is quite nice. It's families. Can't really be filming people, but yeah, that's like our view. It's great. So there's this big screen outside. And then yeah.
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising under moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over. Checking my maps, heading a stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me, and you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still you expect me to make it through pleasantries, baby, I'm yours. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rub it in the hallway, no use for all the rooms. What you wanna do? She told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you, baby, it's all for you. No. She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No. We could catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my fingertips all night, all night. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rub it in the hallway, no use for all the rooms. What you want to do? She said it's all for you.
Know what this is?
Did it all for you.
Trust me, I like how sweet and sour it is. That's why I like it.
No.
Oh, did you just say there was some noodles in it?
If I had noodles, yeah, I would have been just stir fry.
You would have done a stir fry if you had noodles. What kind of look-up boy is this? Look-up boy. What is? What are you thinking of making the noodles with it? What is
Put noodles in this. It's just
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire.
I forgot.
it's probably for the best.
Is that how you lot touch people's hair in your little city?
That's not how we touch hair in my little city.
That I only forgot about. Now you've made me angry again. It's okay for you to compliment someone's hair, but going as far as torching it, what the hell?
Very
So apparently I was in this little city in England, close to Cambridge. I'm not going to call the name, right, because it's not important right now. And then there was this old granny, right? Don't laugh. So I know little cities like that, they ain't got no boundaries. They feel like it's a little community. They try to, know one another, greet each other, because they go to one local church. The local, what's the name of that church around your ends?
It's Church Walk near the...
Well, they go to like one local church together, like everything. So they feel like it's a little community, like a Denbrook community where they get to know themselves, and everyone in the community know each other, right? And then I was just walking down the street, minding my black business. Sorry, you could choke it.
I'm good.
Then one granny from nowhere across the street walked up to me because I was carrying my full hair. You know that full hair, like I think I'm just gonna put up. If I have a picture of it, I'll put it on here. Now I was carrying like my full hair. It was really full and everything. And then when I comb it out, it comes out to the fullest. And then she kept walking fast to me. I'm like, right, calm, step cool, breathe. And then she's like, right, your hair is really quite nice. You know how they talk. Your hair is really quite nice. And I was like, thank you. Without no further warning, nothing, no permission or something. Granny just touched my hair. Oh, I was dying to look texture, dying to. What, she said something about, and then she touched it. She's like, oh my days, this is so nice. And she walked past really fast. And she was carrying a dog, right? Imagine if I grabbed that little dog from the floor and just raised it up like this, shook it, and then dropped it down. She would have called the fence. straight up. She was straight up pulled the fence.
Very much.
Thank you.
Yes, go for it.
Looks good, but doesn't really smell good. Oh, it's got rice in it.
Rice is good.
So we have a bit of a problem.
What's your problem?
I'm allergic to anything sushi and raw rice.
Yeah. So is that raw sushi?
I'm not eating it. Yeah? Huh? Very people's food. How is that? Thank you.
I'm going with you and we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, moving through me like wildfire. Like wildfire.
Funny enough, yeah, the first food was really. Is that,
Yeah, rice.
but rice, kind of like sushi, kind of rice thingy.
It is sticky rice.
It tastes nice.
Nice, yeah.
From when I ate that food, I smelt it. I knew. I didn't even bring it close to myself. Oh my days! I didn't bring it close to myself. I knew I was definitely not having it. I was not meant to feel like that. With somebody, oh, just get with somebody, oh, with somebody who loves me, oh my god, you love healthy food like this.
Yeah. It's good. There's some guacamole in there.
So, guacamole.
Yeah. Avocado.
Hi, I have it.
Yeah.
As long as the rice.
Spicier than the one I made.
I don't trust anything that's got some food. So you know why I'm so careful? Why I'm so careful right now, or why I'm actually very skeptical?
Right.
Last time I had sushi, that was like 5 years ago. I had ended up in the hospital. I'm never having it again in my life. Like, I got to the house.
It should be chicken. But it should be.
There's mushroom sauce. This is got mushroom sauce and everything. So I got to my house. I was straight up crying for my life. Like, I started crying for no reason. I didn't know what was wrong with me. I was having like a bit of a headache, and then I couldn't stand. I was throwing up non-stop.
Yeah.
I was with my sister-in-law, and she called the ambulance because she tried everything possible. She's like, go take a quick shower. I went, I took a quick shower, and she's like, do you want to get a bath? I'm like, she's like, try to get in the bath, make it like very cold. And it was really cool. Then she's like, you could pour ice in the water, just get in it and freeze yourself. And I tried that, and then I was able to sleep. We didn't stop there. That was able to calm me for the morning, right? Then it was morning. I couldn't even get up straight.
Did you find out what caused it?
It was the sushi. And so we had to go to this time around. We didn't call the ambulance. We had to go to like a private hospital.
Yeah.
But
they're a nightmare. Trying to get seen by doctors, impossible.
when we get ruled in by the ambulance, they definitely get to see you, but not as quick as much in London. But if you're living outside London, it will be quick.
When I was waiting for them when that first aid event happened, it was a 45-minute wait. Nightmare.
So we got to the hospital. I was straight up non-stop, and then they gave me, I don't know what they gave me a drink. They put something in it, and I went to sleep. I slept for, we got there like past 12, almost half 12 there about. I woke up like, no, half 11. I woke up like past 8. I passed out and everything. So when I was getting discharged, they're like, oh, I can go home now if I want to, because spending the night in private hospital costs a fortune. So they're like, would you, when I wanted in my sleep, I woke up and said, no, I'm not spending the night, I don't have that money to sleep. Come back tomorrow. I ain't got money. I was like, I'm not spending the night, whatever. But I'm not spending the night. I'm definitely leaving. And they're like, alright, cool. Wait. I wasn't just alright that first day.
No,
yeah. And then I went home. Then the throwing up continued. My sister was like, you should never have left the hospital. You have to, I think you were strong just because they tried to denote you for a bit. And everything. So then we asked what was the reason. They're like, I was allergic to something I ate. And I didn't get a pen and it reacted all over my body. That was the first time I knew I had allergies. I thought I never had allergies at all. Me before when I started asking people, do you have allergies? Because you don't know. I even hear that they can sometimes, some people can die if you don't get a pen quickly. So when I see sushi, it don't matter how posh I wanna be, I'm not eating it. It's raw rice basically and something. This looks interesting, nice. I'd rather eat it for the aesthetics, but for my health's sake. Anyway, I'm eating what do you call it?
It is.
Guamola, is it guamola?
Guacamole.
Huh?
Guacamole.
Guacamole. Anyway, I'm eating guacamole. And
I made you some.
yeah, that wrap. That's alright. But like anyway, I'm eating guacamole and rice. And chicken, and what's that onion on top?
I don't know what that is. Yeah.
We've had a lot of food to eat. I can barely breathe. So we need to walk around and take our burn out the food that we eat. Thank God for selfies. Even if you got fat chins, thank God for selfies. You didn't do absolutely so bad, but next time tell me to suck my belly. Like, say suck your belly so the picture will be fine. Tell me to suck my belly. Yeah, suck your belly.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure if this is quite nice, but let me just trust. Oops. Thank you. This is Canary Wharf is so fine, can't lie. Canary Wharf is so fine, can't lie. So if I put that way. Let's just go this way, sorry.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. But you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. Just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love is paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe. Tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. But you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Changing all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. Why you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in.
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising under moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over it. Checking my maps, heading the stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me, and you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still you expect me to make it do pleasantries, baby, I'm yours. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rubbing in the hallway, no use for all the room. So what you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you, baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. We could catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my fingertips. All night, all night. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rubbing in the heart.
before I start walking. You already know there's love everybody in London. 4 eyes, move. Here comes the DLR, the Queen of Canary Wharf. She's moving about the place. Here comes D.R South. Imagine in that train and then you're looking down at this place. You will think that London is heaven. Until you step out, you'll be like, sorry mate, can I please get like a $5 from you? Sorry mate, I just need a little bit of money, just about something. Sorry mate. What is wrong with these crackheads, man? I didn't see no crackheads at the Cotswold. Not at all, not even one. I'm not even kidding. But once you come out of, oh my, this London is worse. Sorry, please, sorry. So excuse me, man. If you're helping the poor, you're helping the needy, you're being rewarded. Who told you that you're rewarded from heaven if you don't move out of this place?
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules are made for someone else to try.
Parts by the Diva of Canary Wharf, DLR. I just love to stand here, just watch her move. Then here comes London Red buses.